everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can clean the app data on your iPhone. So by cleaning up the app data, you can get a much more free space for your storage, so you can increase the storage of your iPhone. And for this tutorial, I would like to use TikTok as the application that I would like to give you an example, and then just tap into the TikTok to open it. And this is gonna be the look. Now you just need to open your profile in this icon. Tap at the three straight lines in the top right corner and tap into the settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you just need to scroll all the way down until you got the caution cellular, and then you just need to go click this free up space, tap on it, and then you can click several options. You can see here what you've got for the downloads, the drafts, the cache. See that my TikTok already consumed a lot space from my phone. Just need to tap clear and confirm that you want to clear it, just to clear every data here. And right after you're done, you just need to go back and you're done. You can do for the rest application. You just need to find the cache on it, and then you just need to clean up this. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Let's meet again into other tutorial.